What's up, you guys? So I just really wanted to talk about the easiest way to learn AI in 2024. So if you haven't already, I have a free Skool community that is always in the description of all of my YouTube videos. And I just want to take you guys through it to kind of show you the value here and how you guys can actually use the community to go about learning about AI. So let's jump to it right here. So yeah, you can see here we are inside of the community. It's the AI entrepreneurship community on Skool.com. We only have about 18 members at the moment, but we're early days. We're trying to grow. We're trying to grow the community. So in this community, I post all of the links to all of my YouTube videos as well as the resources for the things that I create in my videos, right? So if I'm creating a chatbot, I'll post a template for that chatbot or the instructions on how to create it or the prompts for ChatGPT or whatever things are involved in that tutorial. I will actually post it here in the chat, right? So for this video, the Ultimate AI Customer Service Solution, you can see that I have the video here as well as the voice flow template for that bot as well, right? I also have a document with over 600 AI tools that we'll go over that in a bit when we go more to the classroom section. And then you can see that again here with the AI persona Einstein bot. I have the Einstein template for the voice flow template for the bot, as well as the books that I used for the knowledge base backend, and then a screenshot for how the bot should look, right? So you can see I post all of the resources for free, completely for free. You guys can just come in here, check it out, and take whatever resources I do create and take them and run with them yourselves, right? So this is actually on the main page. If we come up to the classroom session up here, then you'll be able to see that there are 3 different modules, right? So there's the 600 plus AI tools. So this is a spreadsheet with over 600 different AI tools that I've spoken about it before, but it's not formatted really great right now because it's just a preview. It's not the actual thing. But once you download it, it's formatted really well in a very digestible way. It would have all of the names of the AI tool, what category it belongs to, and then the link to it, right? So there's over 600 different AI tools that you can use right now completely for free. Well, some are for free, some are free and then have a paid offering, and then some are just completely paid tools, right? But it just depends on what you guys really want to do. And then we have these 2 courses right here. So there's the ChatGPT Masterclass and then the ChatGPT Masterclass 2.0. So the ChatGPT Masterclass is everything that you need to know to get started using AI and learning AI completely for free using the free version of ChatGPT. So there's an introduction. There's about 20 videos here. The course isn't too long, and I didn't create this. I just amassed this. I have permission to be posting it and giving it to you guys for free. So that's what I'm doing. I came across a very comprehensive beginner course for ChatGPT and how to get into AI. So I am just packaging that up and giving it to you guys completely for free. So it kind of goes into a lot of different things, right? How to create a sales letter, how to create a thank you page, how to create headlines. And there's specific examples that are given throughout this course, but you can use the same concepts that are being taught in this course and take it and apply it to, any niche or anything that you're actually trying to build, right? So this is ChatGPT Masterclass. This is the basic one. This is for interacting with free ChatGPT, the free version. And then ChatGPT Masterclass 2.0 is the GPT Plus, right? So if you pay $20 every single month for ChatGPT, like I do, then you get access to a host of more features. You get access to more GPTs. You get access to GPT-4, the ability to search the internet, and then a whole bunch of GPTs that other people have created and put into the GPT store, right? So that is all with ChatGPT Plus, and which is the paid version. And this course teaches you how to leverage that, how to create your own, how to how to create your own GPTs, how to use Dolly to create images, ChatGPT plugins. It talks about audio with 11 Labs. So this one, audio with 11 Labs, is great because you can take any text that's generated from ChatGPT, throw it into 11 Labs. You can clone your own voice or use one of the voices that 11 Labs already has built into it, and then you can make it say whatever ChatGPT said, right? Or whether, so that's good for if you're, filming content with that AI voice, or if you wanted to link in voice calling or whatever, right? Whatever your project you're trying to build that might need voice, that's great for it, right? It has text to video. There's the Meta AI image policy. There's the YouTube policy on AI, right? This is a pretty comprehensive course on everything you might need. That just takes it a step further from the ChatGPT Masterclass, the original one. So that's really it for the classroom section of the community, and then the calendar section is next up. So every week I will be doing at Friday at 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. So about 90-minute session, and this is Central Standard Time, so CST. Every Friday I'll be doing a kind of taking you guys through how to get your first agency client, right? So your first AI agency client. So we'll be using the exact same step-by-step framework that we use to reach out to clients, to first identify potential clients, reach out to them, and then get them booked on our calendars. That way we can try to make the sale, right? So that we do that every single week on Fridays. It's a great way to learn what we're doing and see what's actually working in the industry to help you guys get your own first client, right? So that's about it. Real quick, I also do want to mention that for these courses, you won't have access to them right away, because if you look at the course, you have to be the access level starts at level 2, right? So what does this mean? So Skool.com actually gamifies the communities. So to gain higher levels, you just need to participate in the community, comment on people's posts, like people's posts, and people will like your posts and stuff like that. So that the more likes and comments you get and give, you get more, you gain points and you unlock levels, right? So ChatGPT Masterclass is unlocked at level 2, and then at level 3 you get the Masterclass 2.0. So this really incentivizes you guys coming in the community and communicating, sharing some value with the other members of the community, and the more value that you share, the more you're rewarded with information, right? So you get the ChatGPT Masterclass and the Masterclass 2.0. The AI tools are completely free. You don't have to qualify. You don't have to have like a certain level to reach it. Anybody has access to it straight as soon as you guys join the community. But the 2 courses, you do have to participate in the community a bit, and it's pretty low targets for the leaderboards. So it's not that tall of a task to get to level 2 and to level 3 in the community. But yeah, that's really it. I just really wanted to take you guys through the AI entrepreneurship community and show you the type of value that you can get and how you guys can go about learning AI. So yeah, thank you guys, and see you guys in the next one.